Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Moviesy on your FireStick. Moviesy is a fantastic app for streaming movies and TV shows, and it's perfect for FireStick users looking to expand their entertainment options. Stick around as we walk you through the installation process, step by step. Step 1. Prepare your FireStick. First, make sure your FireStick is powered on and connected to the internet. If you haven't already done so, go to the home screen of your FireStick. Step 2. Enable apps from unknown sources. To install Moviesy, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the settings menu at the top of the home screen. Scroll to the right and select My Fire TV or device, depending on your FireStick version. Choose developer options. Turn on apps from unknown sources if it's not already enabled. Don't worry, Moviesy is a safe app. Step 3. Install the downloader app. Now, let's install the downloader app, which we'll use to download Moviesy. Return to the home screen and type Downloader in the search bar. Select the downloader app from the search results and download it. Once downloaded, open the downloader app. Step 4. Download Moviesy APK. In the downloader app, we'll now download the Moviesy APK file. In the URL field, enter the following URL where the Moviesy APK can be downloaded. Click Go and wait for the APK file to download. Step 5. Install Moviesy on FireStick. Once the APK file is downloaded, let's install Moviesy. The downloader app will prompt you to install the APK file. Click on Install. After installation, you can choose to delete the APK file to save space on your FireStick. Step 6. Open and enjoy Moviesy. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Moviesy on your FireStick. Now, let's open the app. Go back to the FireStick home screen and navigate to your apps and channels. Scroll down to find Moviesy and click on it to open the app. Explore Moviesy's library of movies and TV shows and start streaming your favorite content right away. Conclusion. That wraps up our guide on how to install Moviesy on FireStick. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the installation process, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streaming experience with Moviesy on FireStick.